So in this next video, we're going to convert from natural log to e to the x to its exponential form, all right? Well, I wanted to show you, just in case you weren't convinced, if we graph these, y is equal to e to the x, ln of x, you're going to see that they're inverses of each other. All right, look at it real quick as it kind of graphs. You can see it's a reflection over the y is equal to x line, right? And if I was to just zoom out, let me just go ahead and zoom out. You'll see that we better get, just like before, look at that. It's a reflection over the y equals x. You could just fold your paper along the y equals x line. That's how you know they're inverses, right? So let's go ahead and start off. Let's say we start off with a problem like y is equal to ln, of t. Well, ln natural log, has its own special, if this is the inverse, what's original is e to the x equals blank, right? It's e. Well, in this case, this is your input, right? It's the number on the inside, so that becomes your output. So the t goes out there, and this is your output, so that now becomes your input, all right? That's just an example problem there. Let's take a look at something more like this. 20 is equal to the natural log of a. Well, it's going to be e is equal to blank, right? Question mark. Well, this is your output, so that now becomes your input. So e to the 20 is equal to, and this is your input, so that now becomes your output. That has to go on the outside right there. So e to the 20 is equal to a. Plug that into your calculator and solve. Let's do another one. Let's say 300 is equal to 4 times ln of x. Well, divide 4 to both sides. 300 divided by 4. All right, and let's go ahead and do that. So we get 300 divided by 4. And we get 75. I should have known that. 75 is equal to ln natural log of x. Is equal to natural log of x. And again, this is e raised to what power is equal to blank? Well, this is your output, so that now becomes your input. This is your input, so that becomes your output. So e to the 75 is equal to x. All right. And there we have it. That's just converting from natural log, from the inverse to its exponential form. We don't really go over a ton of problems like this. It's up to you to decide how you want to do it. And so we are officially done with this video. All right, take it easy.